some.
You can get a picture?
No, go ahead.
No, get a picture. I'm doing
He's
video.
getting video.
Oh,
Okay.
Ash, can you come and put this
Oh,
back up?
I'll let you take better pictures. And then you can get it how you want and just send it to your phone. 'Cause that's really cute.
Oh,
Well, I need them both to look a certain way.
I know.
You gotta delete it.
Be cute if they were looking at each other.
well, this one's I was just taking a picture.
We'll send them to your phone and Nushu will send them to her phone.
I only have 25 photos.
I know, because you got too many videos. The video takes up more space than the photos. So it eats up all your space. You
Yeah,
got,
but then you have to go through this whole
I
thing.
know Hawaii.
which I know.
It's a pain. And then so I go, okay, you know what, I'm just gonna cut them all out.
Is that right?
I ain't gonna worry about it. I'll get pictures.
You kicking the ball?
Oh, here's my cousin. Oh, yeah,
What's the matter?
That was good.
Oh,
11.
okay. I'll send them to your phone. So you have them. Why, Maddie? What's the matter?
Come here, little girl.
and just start
Maddie crying?
through what.
You see, he's
Sneak peek.
you gonna try to hold her?
Yeah.
Mom.
Well,
You want to hold her? Come here. Sit right here. I'll let you hold her.
He's trying.
Grayson, come here. Here. Sit right here. Sit.
Sit.
Sit. Oh, Mom. Ashley, will you help him sit? Oh, you're recording?
No, I mean, it's gonna
Here.
be a picture.
Grayson, come sit.
Go hold Maddie.
Here.
Here.
Sit.
You get a holder. Oh my gosh.
Okay, sit.
Okay. Look, you get a holder all by yourself, but not really.
Oh.
Oh, he's giving her. Oh my god, he's.
Hold her head, Rye. Hold her head.
Oh my god, she's trying to.
You giving her kisses and love?
He
Hold her.
was kissing her.
Hold her.
He was trying to pick her up. It was so cute.
Grayson, give your sister a kiss.
She's crying. You have to kiss her.
Kiss her. Give her love.
aw.
He's like.
He goes,
okay.
he's like grandma, he's like Gigi, okay. Oh. Oh, did you see his face? He smiled.
She's loud. Huh? Yeah, that's loud.
Grayson, give her a kiss. She's sad. She needs a kiss.
Oh.
He's like, what do I do? Oh my god.
Is that your baby? Is that your baby?
Oh, look.
His hand went under.
Oh.
Oh, look at this.
Yay!
He's like, yo, that.
Okay.
You are.
I don't know how to stop it.